Example 4. We are practicing changing subtraction to addition, and then we are adding. I'm going to complete this problem first the way you're going to do it in 7th grade. In 7th grade, they're going to say to change the subtraction problem to an addition problem, you just add the opposite. So you add the opposite. That's the same thing as what we've been doing. So we have been using KCC so that we make sure that we don't change the minuend. The minuend stays the same. And then we've been adding the opposite. We've been changing every time. We've been changing the subtraction operation to addition. And then we've been recording the opposite of the second number. So if the subtrahend was a -4, it becomes a +4. And -4 plus a +4 is really the same as saying -4 plus 4. Now that we've changed the subtraction to addition, we can go ahead and use our integer chips. So -4 is represented by 4 red integer chips. And I'm just going to go ahead and go to the typing tool, and I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 negatives. And then to represent the 4 positives, I'm just going to type 1, 2, 3, 4 positives. Now comes the time where I can get rid of my 0 pairs. So I have a +1 and a -1, which makes 0. A +1 and a -1 makes 0. A +1 and a -1 makes 0. And finally, a +1 and a -1 makes 0. I actually had 4 positives and 4 negatives, and that's a 0 pair. So my answer is 0. On the number line, X marks the start, so we start at -4. And then when we're adding 4, that means we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and I end up at my answer, 0.